engineer. How many of you want to become an IAS officer? Let me share a secret with you. When I was a small kid, I wanted to be an IAS officer. One role model is here with us, Mr. Zaveer Pasha. Well, of course, how many of you want to be, let me check the audience intelligence. How many of you want to be housewife? Put your hands up. Housewife? One boy wants to be a housewife, huh? Wonderful, okay. How many of you love your parents? Put your hands up. Put your hands up. How many of you love your parents? Okay. To all of you, I'd like to say something very important. इज्जत भी मिलेगी, दौलत भी मिलेगी, खिदमत करो माँ बाप की, जन्नत भी मिलेगी. Most importantly, to all my friends here, how many of you understand Telugu? Put your hands up. Telugu. Wonderful. Wow. Nuvu roja pula undavu. Na manasanta nuve. Nuve kavali. Nu nani premisthami naku telasu. How many of you know Kannada? Put your hands up. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you. This time when I was given the Rashtra Kavi Kuvempu Memorial Karnataka Rajya Puraskara Yuva Gaurava Puraskara Award, all I told them is Kannada, Kannada, Kannada Vendoli, Kannada Nadinda Hokkanda, Kannada Bhasha, Kannada Kirti Habisuge, Kannada Taiಗೆ ಆನಂದ, ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಬೆಳಗೊಳ, ಐಹೊಳೆಯಡ ಹಂಪೆ, ಹಲಿಬಿಡು ಬೇಲೂರು ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ತೂರೂರು, ಕುವೆಂಪು ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿ ವೆಂಕಟಪ್ಪ ಪುಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ, ಜಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. Thank you very much. Most importantly, my dearest friends, my dearest kids, I hail from a city school, but let me tell you, even we do not have the courage, the talent that all of you have. From the glass dance, on the broken pieces of glasses, from the fire rings, jump to the band, I must say, hats off. I salute your courage, your intelligence and everything. I was absolutely surprised by seeing such talented members. Let me also tell you, some of your schoolmates who have graduated, like my own little brother Mehdi, I must tell you, his English is much better than mine. A round of applause for them, please. A lot of youngsters, I must tell you, the challenges they face when they come to the city schools, the English, the way they behave is much better than so many of them present here. So with that, all I'd like to say is, before much more better, more qualified and dignified gentlemen come and address you, on a very funny note, I'd like to say, so much of greenery here. वो बाग ही क्या जिसमें माली ना हो, वो झगड़ा ही क्या जिसमें गाली ना हो, वो ससुराल ही क्या जिसमें साली ना हो, वो ऑडियंस ही क्या जिसमें ताली ना हो. सोक्रेट्स नाम का एक बहुत ही बड़ा ग्रीक फिलोसोफर था. वो लंबी स्पीचेस देता था, इसलिए उसके फ्रेंड्स ने उसको खत्म कर दिया. सो मैं भी आपके जैसा जब स्टूडेंट था, मैं यही सोचता था कि कब स्पीचेस खत्म हो, कब अवार्ड्स मिले, कब हमें घर को जाने का मौका मिले. सो विद दैट आई जस्ट लाइक टू टेक 2 minutes of yours and tell you, teachers are one of the people who make our life, but the best teacher is your mother. तुम्हारी माँ जो है सबसे अच्छी टीचर है. I'll tell you why. मुश्किल रास्तों में आसान ये सफर लगता है, मुश्किल रास्तों में आसान ये सफर लगता है, और ये मेरी माँ की दुआओं का असर लगता है. How much ever we might become big, whatever we might become in life, mother is one teacher which we can never forget. How many of you love to study? Put your hands up. Honestly, love to study. Very good. Very good. Thank you. How many of you love to play sports? Put your hands up. Well done. What I'd like to say is, जो भी आप करें, पढ़ाई हो, sports हो, जो भी हो, aim to become the best. Today, if you want to be a cricketer, be something like a Virat Kohli, be something like a MS Dhoni, be something like a Sachin. When I hosted the Indian Premier League with Virat Kohli, I told him something to inspire, and I'd like to tell all of you. परों को खोल, ज़माना उड़ान देखता है, ज़मीन पे बैठ के क्या आसमान देखता है. हुनर है तो हुनर की हिफाजत कर, संभल के चल तुझे सारा जहान देखता है. All my dear friends, my young ones, know what is your talent, know what is your potential, and become the best in your field. If you're in your class, aim for the best, nothing else. I know during exams in life we face a lot of difficulties. To that I'd like to say, गमे बेरे हस्ती से गुजर क्यों नहीं जाते, जीना नहीं आता तो मर क्यों नहीं जाते, उस पार पहुंचना है तो तूफान भी मिलेंगे, उस पार पहुंचना है तो तूफान भी मिलेंगे, डरते हैं तो कश्ती से उतर क्यों नहीं जाते. Last and foremost, all I'd like to say is, whatever you do in life, try and be the best, because one life and you need to target to become number one. वो खुद ही जान जाते हैं बुलंदी आसमानों की, तालीम नहीं दी जाती परिंदों को उड़ानों की. Thank you very much. All of you are just wonderful, and I must tell you, your talent that I saw, the courage, I'm sure you are turning out to be one of the finest and the best example. With that, God bless you all. Thank you very much and all the best. Thank you. Signing off, this is MC Abbas. Thank you.
Heartfully thanks MC Abbas TV anchoring for attending this function. Thank you, sir.